How to fix Instagram cold interfresh feed easy and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem in less than 1 minute, just go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. And now all what you have to do is go to apps and search for Instagram. You will find here all the apps as you can see. Just scroll until you find Instagram and click on it like this, then click on force stop and go to storage, clear data, and go back, then go to Play Store and search for Instagram right here, and make sure if there is an update, click on update and then restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.